Auto Snap. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne GTS is here, bringing a thrilling blend of power, luxury, and aggressive design. As Porsche continues to refine its SUV lineup, the GTS model stands out as the perfect middle ground between the standard Cayenne and the high-performance turbo models. This new iteration enhances the sporty character with upgraded power, sharper handling, and a more driver-focused experience, while maintaining the everyday practicality that has made the Cayenne a success. Under the hood, the 2026 Cayenne GTS is expected to retain its twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, but with performance tweaks that push its power beyond the previous model's 473 horsepower. Reports suggest that Porsche could boost the output to around 500 horsepower, improving acceleration and overall driving dynamics. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Cayenne GTS will deliver a thrilling yet smooth ride, with precise shifts and rapid response. The all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction, making it a capable performer on both twisty roads and highways. One of the standout elements of the Cayenne GTS has always been its chassis tuning, and the 2026 version is no exception. Porsche has fine-tuned the suspension for an even sportier ride, with adaptive dampers and a lower ride height to enhance cornering stability. The optional rear axle steering system further sharpens its handling, allowing the large SUV to feel surprisingly nimble. The revised air suspension also provides improved comfort in daily driving, ensuring that the Cayenne GTS remains a versatile option for both spirited driving and long road trips. Visually, the 2026 Cayenne GTS receives a more aggressive design, highlighted by blacked-out exterior elements, larger air intakes, and a distinctive front grille. The LED matrix headlights now come with a redesigned signature, adding to the vehicle's modern and high-tech appeal. Standard 21-inch wheels wrapped in performance tires complete the sporty look, while the available lightweight carbon fiber package reduces weight and adds an even more athletic presence. Porsche's signature quad exhaust system, finished in black, emits an intoxicating growl that sets the GTS apart from its siblings. Inside, the Cayenne GTS boasts a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and advanced technology. The sports seats, wrapped in a mix of Alcantara and leather, provide excellent support during spirited driving. Red contrast stitching and GTS badging give the cabin a distinctive touch, while the updated infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with seamless integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Porsche's latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, enhance convenience and safety without compromising the sporty nature of the SUV. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the Sport Chrono package, which includes launch control for blistering acceleration. The Cayenne GTS is expected to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.2 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs in its class. The optional carbon ceramic brakes ensure exceptional stopping power, providing confidence during high-speed maneuvers. The exhaust system has also been tuned to deliver a deeper and more engaging sound, further amplifying the driving experience. Porsche has also made strides in sustainability by improving efficiency in the Cayenne GTS. While it remains a performance-oriented SUV, advancements in engine technology and lightweight materials contribute to better fuel economy without sacrificing power. Hybrid technology is not expected for the GTS model, but Porsche continues to refine its internal combustion engines for better emissions and efficiency. With an expected price starting around $120,000, and the 2026 Porsche Cayenne GTS sits in a competitive segment where luxury, performance, and practicality meet. It competes against high-performance SUVs like the BMW X5 M50, Audi SQ7, and Mercedes-AMG GLE 53, but Porsche's unique driving dynamics and craftsmanship set it apart. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne GTS is a testament to Porsche's commitment to performance and innovation. It retains the raw excitement of a sports car, while offering the space and comfort of an SUV, making it a compelling choice for driving enthusiasts who demand versatility. With its upgraded power, sharper handling, and refined design, the latest Cayenne GTS proves once again why Porsche continues to set the standard in the high-performance luxury SUV segment.